Alright, so we are at EWA2, Edgewater Arms, and I have pushed the camera in just as far as it will possibly go. Going upstream and the pipe reducing 90 feet, or what are we at, 87 feet, that's as far as we're going to be able to get the camera into the line. We just want to make a video after jetting to show everything we pulled out of here. I would say several 5-gallon buckets worth of cast iron scale we pulled out of here, probably 5 or 6 buckets worth. I'll try to show the pile when we get done with the video. It's just always hard to show it how big it actually is on this little camera head. And again, we've got people running water, so we're going to have water flowing at us, and you'll see it coming down from stacks as we go down through this main line. So what we're looking for is we want the pipe to look round. It's cast iron, so it's going to always look rough, but what I'm looking for is that roundness with no scale sitting on the bottom, no scale poking out of the sides, and it looks immensely better since we jetted it. So that was a stack right there we just passed coming from upstairs. You can see we've got more flow now because we've come past more stacks. So people could be flushing the toilets, or I doubt taking showers this time of day, but probably flushing toilets for sure. You can see the pipe is definitely bigger here. So as we went up into the building, it reduced. So you can see how we can just barely see the edges of the pipe. It's because the pipe in this area is 10 inches. And it looked like 4 when we videoed it, but I think that's because of all the scale we had inside of this pipe, which I'll show you here in a second. So now we're back out of the line. So over here, this is just nothing but a huge pile. So that's 1 handful of scale, and that's how big the pile is that we just pulled out of here. There's our line where we opened it, or Gus Plumbing opened it, and just a monster pile of scale. That probably just bought you at least 10 years or so, I would assume. You shouldn't have any more issues with the pipe.